To be very honest, it was really difficult, but I think I have this man on my right, Shashank Khaitan, who in Humpty changed me fully. And in this film, he changed me. He always said this, that when you enter the office to meet me, Varun, just forget who you are, what your previous hits are. You have to just reinvent. And honestly, I'm a little nervous today because I'm actually feeling like this is like my first film or something. Because Badri is such a special character to me. He's so close to my heart. I just hope he gets the love that we've put in to making him.
हाय करण व- वरुण आलिया अभी अगर शेयर करें अपनी अपनी वरुण आलिया पहले आप मेरे सवाल का जवाब दे दें
हाँ सर, आप लोग कहा
आपके
हुआ
like.
हाँ हाँ सॉरी इसके बाद you'll let him.
तो इस जर्नी को कैसे देखते हैं आप
I'll answer.
I mean, I again बहुत ही जैसे कि वरुण ने कहा कि एक्चुअली व्हेन वी बोथ आर नर्वस लाइक इट्स आवर फर्स्ट फिल्म, सो आई थिंक कभी कभी हम भूल जाते हैं कि जर्नी भी है, और आई थिंक ऐसे ही रहना चाहिए बिकॉज द एक्साइटमेंट, द न्यूनेस, द बटरफ्लाइज इन द स्टमक, हर फिल्म के साथ यही होता है. एंड I don't know, Varun say something. पिछले टाइम भी I think Varun was talking the most, so I think
You know,
you should talk.
I'll say something. This journey has been a journey of ups and downs, and I mean that in the best possible way because my character does go through a lot of changes as the film progresses. I had a lot of alcohol. I consumed a lot of alcohol during this film. There are some behind.
For the character.
So I mean, it was a very. It's been more emotional than other films of mine, which are more light-hearted in vein. This has a lot of fun, frolic, everything. There's a certain intensity and there's a certain change which the character goes through. So there were times when, I mean, I myself was angry sometimes on set. I was snapping at Alia and Shashank at times on set.
Sometimes you want to, Shashank, you want to tell them about the fights we've
I
had?
think we should hear it from Shashank about the experience because he's worked with them probably more than I have.
Yeah, Varun, why were you snapping so much, man? That's a question to ask. But it's been a very interesting character. Both the characters have been interesting to work with them because, you know, as he pointed out, we are entering a world which probably they both have never seen before. And just to get the language correct, just to get the Malayu correct, it has been great fun to work with them. And I think the rest, hopefully the film will talk for itself.
Definitely one of the best things about this film is that we got a chance to go to Jhansi and shoot. We got a chance to go to Kota and shoot. There's no Dharma film that has ever been shot in Jhansi or Kota before this. No, I'm not saying that as a bad thing, but I'm just saying...
You just accused me.
No. What I mean is that this is very unlike other Dharma films. It's a new thing for Karan as well, I think.
It's Heartland.
Karan, hi. Yeah. As a tribute to...
I'll let you all in on something. So last night I called up Karan around 12:30 or 1, was it?
Your 55th call.
Yeah. I told him that what should we do tomorrow? Should I speak in the Badri accent? Should I do that? And Karan was like, I beg you, just behave like a movie star.
No, he wanted to know what I was wearing.
He wanted to know what I was wearing as well.
And he wanted to know what I was wearing.
Of him.
I was like, how does that matter to you?
We were all summoned to send one
He's like,
picture.
don't you think you should wear something Indian? I said, I might look like that Air India Maharaj if I'll end up standing on that. If I wear something Indian. Like, I was like, how can you even... And then he said, no, we are wearing black and red. Why don't you also match with us also? I have a touch of red in your black. And I was like, okay.
Because it's releasing on Holi, it's a festive release and I'm really excited because...
So what should we do?
No, it's my first festive release. I'm really excited.
Huh?
I mean, it's my first festive release. We never get these dates. So, I mean, finally I've got it after so many years.
You still haven't got Diwali, Eid and Christmas.
But I'll start from Holi now, then I'll keep going.
We'll also clash. Come on.
Varun, towards your left over here. You know, you are the only person from the young lot of actors who has not delivered a flop. This is your 7th film and all your films have been successful. And now you have 2 franchises this year, that is Badrinath Ki Dulhania and Judwaa 2. So how confident are you about the 2 films and how are you looking at this year?
Honestly, I'm never confident. I believe in only one thing and that's what my father's taught me and that's hard work. There's no substitute for that. And like I said, I think what works, I think Alia said it very well because we discussed how we're going to promote this film, what are we going to do. And she said that, Varun, let's just market it from our heart, not from our brain. So everything you're seeing on the stage is all heart. There's no brain, there's no science to it right now.
First, Shashank, my question to you, and is this actually something that is a trend, and are you following that? in this film? And my second question, of course, is to Varun, and I believe it's Badrinath Bansal. So is there more daring or is there more dimag?
दिमाग तो है ही नहीं इस इंसान के पास मतलब मेरे पास जैसे कि like I said before also it's all heart. That's how Shashank has written this character. He first does something, then he thinks of the repercussions. Something like I was like that probably when I was in college or something like that. And I think in today's day and age, we all, including the youth, including children of today, I mean, we start using our brain for everything. We'll Google something before we do something. Now, this guy is not like that. उसको कुछ करना है तो सीधा जाके कर देता है. Do I remind you of Govinda, sir?
Yes and no. I mean, we are all fans of Govinda. We've all grown up seeing his cinema, but I don't see any Govinda and Varun when I work with him or when we were preparing for the role. I think Varun is Varun, and I hope he continues working this hard and makes his own identity. So I don't see any Govinda in him, but I definitely see someone who's hardworking and wishes to keep entertaining people, and I think that's the only thing they have in common.
No, that's fine. He's very talented, but just एक थोड़ी सी झलक आ जाती है मेरा कहना है. Definitely. Yeah, Varun, what have
I'll
you
tell you
done?
honestly,
Yeah,
as an actor, obviously I'm a very big fan of Chichi Bhaiya. I'm a very big fan of the three Khans, of Hrithik, of Akshay, of everyone who's, you know, paved the way for even for me to do cinema today. But I can't remove that. In a way, obviously, they are my inspiration to be an actor. It'll be unfair if I say I saw Arnold Schwarzenegger and I said I want to become an actor of Hindi cinema. That's not true. I went to Gaiety Galaxy, I went to Chandan, and I've seen Sanjay Dutt dancing, and I've screamed. I've seen Salman Bhai's films over there, and I've been overjoyed. So, in a way, all these heroes do inspire me to be a hero on screen. And somewhere in my performance, they do play a part because they are an inspiration. I think every creative person does get inspired, and you have to just choose the right people you get inspired by. And Govinda is a great person to get inspired by, I think.
Varun, on your right. Varun, to your right.
I don't want a change of image. My image should be this, that Varun Dhawan does films which entertains the country. And entertainment can be anything, that you can play a negative role, positive role, horror role, anything that reaches out to the entire country, not only, like Shashank said, it's not only the tier 1 cities or tier 2 cities or tier 3 cities. Everyone should be able to watch my film. Everyone should be able to understand my film. And that's the idea, that's the vision Karan has for me. And that's what he pushes me always towards, that, you know, do films which can reach out to larger people, that everyone can understand and enjoy them. So that's the only purpose, and that is to entertain people. I get bad dreams that I'm boring people, like I'm acting and people are yawning and all. That is the biggest nightmare I get. I don't want to do that.
And what about you donning the Dulhania role? You must be in a very comfortable zone now, right?
Means?
How do you explain it?
Playing a Dulhania?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, this is the second time I'm a Dulhania. Actually, third time, even in 2 states, I was a Dulhania. So yeah, I think Dulhania is going with my my spirit. I think that is me. Alia equals to Dulhania.
But there's lots more to Vedai than you just see in this trailer. We can't obviously reveal everything. We can't reveal the twists, and because in a love story, I mean, eventually it's about the love
What
between
twists?
two people. So there are certain things which happen in this story that turn around.
What twist?
With your character, something happens.
I'm twisted.
It's quite a twisted Dulhania. ये headline
Hi.
बनेगा.
Something
We
happened.
have, we have 2 questions in the house,
Hi,
ladies and
Varun and
gentlemen.
Alia. To your left, Urvi.
Hi.
Hi, what's up?
Pink
Hi.
Villa.
Hi. How was it recreating Tamma Tamma, and how was it stepping into Sanjay and Madhuri's iconic dance number?
I didn't try and step at all. I was standing many feet away. Just kind of, it's a little like almost like a tribute, like when you're in a club or when you're at a party, or jab purane gaane bajte, you get so excited, you're like, oh yeah, that's our song. So it's literally that. We're not trying to recreate it. We're just so happy that this song ever existed, and we're just trying to
Tamma
enjoy.
Tamma is definitely my jam for sure. And I've actually had the good fortune of working out with Sanjay Dutt in his gym to Tamma Tamma once. And I was just staring at him, and that the drums were dun, 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 Tamma Tamma no. And he said, Uthana.
Hello,
Varun, to your right.
Shashank here.
Yeah.
Give me pause.
So did the humble Badri finally get the solution to compound interest, the formula of compound interest in the film?
वो थोड़ा कठिन है, हम थोड़ा वक्त में सीख के बताते हैं आपको.
और
If he
वरुण को
cracks
पता है?
compound interest, I'm ready to salute him any point of time.
I'll crack it, I'll Google it.
Tell me the full form of simple interest, first of all.
Simple interest equal to P into R into T divided by 100.
Full form bata.
भैया, तुम जो
We have
dialogue
a
देते हो,
last
वो बोलते हैं.
question. Any other
Acha,
GK
Shashank,
questions?
Shashank here.
Yes, hi.
Shashank. How did you decide upon the name Badrinath? Was there any specific reason?
You mean in terms of the names or?
Yeah, the character name,
Right.
Badrinath.
I think it's very simple. I was writing characters from UP. Alia's character is from Kota, which is Rajasthan, but she is a UPite based in Kota, Rajasthan. So I was just trying to make my characters as authentic. Badrinath is a very endearing name, especially when you use the name Badri. And a very funny thing is Varun's best friend for about last 15 years actually calls him Badri. So when I went to narrate the script to him, I don't think so if he understood the story too much, but he said, you know what? I love the name Badri because my friend calls me Badri.
This is actually a true story. It's not a lie. My best friend Kavish, he calls me Badri because we always have this joke that he said if you never made it in Hindi cinema, you'd be acting in Bhojpuri cinema. So he calls me Badri. Arey Badri idhar aana. And Badri means like short form of brother for him is what he's trying to go
Kavesh,
for.
for everyone want to know,
Yeah.
is the fat kid in K3G, by the way, who plays Ritik Jr.